Hello viewers! Welcome to another DIY episode. And this is a continuation of the installation na ginawa ko sa aking Sportster. Yung rear view camera holder that I bought from Amazon. And I liked it so much that I decided to get another one. And this is the delivery that came from Amazon. This is from Surevo. Same manufacturer. And inside is the GoPro camera holder, Rearview camera holder. And let's see what's inside. It should be the same as the one I have before. As I said, I installed this in my Sportster. I have a video of that, and you can see it in my previous post sa channel na to. And so this is the Rearview camera holder itself. Ito yung pin for the GoPro. Ayun, baliktad. And we have this other tool or accessory. I don't know what this one is for. It looks strange to me. Maybe if you guys know what this one is for, maybe you can put it in the comment section. But I don't know what's the use of this one. So let's go to the bike and see how it looks. So dito sa Rebel, there's not enough room to put it on the right hand side. There's already the brake fluid casing, and yeah, it's not possible to put this here. So what I'll do is I'll put it on the other side sa left hand corner. Doon marami tayong there's enough space to do it here. So we'll do the same thing as I did on the Sportster. Lagay natin sa left hand side ng rear view mirror, and then that will be it. Okay, so let's start removing the mirror. To do that, open nyo lang to. See this rubber cover. You can see the nuts here, but we're not gonna remove that. We'll just unscrew this whole thing. Tanggalin na natin to. And then, we can easily install your rear view camera holder. So, napakadali lang po. And then, you just put it in. Okay, just like that. Just like that. Okay, now may problema rito. When I do this, hanggang dito lang ang kaya niya. So we have an issue. We cannot just put this like that. So anong remedyo? The solution is lagyan natin to ng spacer para mag-adjust siya accordingly. That's the easiest that you can do. So tanggalin natin siya. At meron akong mga spacers. Lagyan ko lang ng spacer sa ilalim to, and then that should do it. Okay? I'll be back. I found the spacer na kasya rito sa mirror. This one. So ipasok lang natin dyan, dito yan. And that should do it. Okay? Simple MacGyver solution. Okay. Hopefully that will work. Slip it here. There you go. See, as I told you. Ayan. Parang walang nangyari. Right? So there's your mirror in the right place. And there's your camera holder. And this is going to look nice. as I said, ayan lang po, napakadali. So for the Rebel, kailangan nyo lang ng spacer. Kumuha lang kayo kung meron kayong spare na spacer, that will do the trick. Otherwise hindi siya, it won't stay in the right place. So that's what I did. If you have other suggestions, maybe you can put it in the comment section, but for me that's the easiest way to do it. So there you go, there's our rear view camera holder. Looks nice. Kabit natin yung GoPro and let's see how it's gonna look. Okay, I have a GoPro 8. Kabibili ko rin ito. I just bought this like 2 weeks ago. I used to have, or I still have, the GoPro 7, but this one is much better, the GoPro 8, than the GoPro 7 dahil with GoPro 8 you don't need a casing, so this one is the casing itself. Touch nyo na lang dito and then you're good. So less gadget to bring or to carry over. Yan lang siya. Yan, pasok na siya. And this is how it looks. Easily installed in 2-3 minutes. Yun nga lang, meron tayong extra thing to do to make this thing work. Ano po siya. Okay, this is how it looks now on the Rebel, and looks good. You can see does not occupy too much space, and the spacer that I put, the spacer nilagay ko rito is not showing at all, so you won't know that there's a spacer in it. And as far as the camera holder itself, as I said, nagamit ko na to sa Sportster. And I drove on high speed with it and didn't break at all, didn't shake, well, it shake, but I didn't, it stayed in one place. So I'm pretty sure na this one will stay good on the Rebel. So that's it for now, folks, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.